Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com, Avez, Vous, Recours, Vous, Soigner Actualits. More and more French people are seeking health advice from artificial intelligence, despite the risks. This phenomenon is observed worldwide, with ChatGPT even planning to specialize in this field. However, the French High Authority for Health, HAS, warns about the risks of this new habit. While AI could potentially play a role in simple medical cases, it cannot replace a healthcare professional, especially for complex situations that require medical prescriptions. The main risk is that patients may present their medical situation incompletely, leading to inaccurate AI-generated advice. The HAS calls for caution and emphasizes that AI cannot substitute a proper medical diagnosis. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak